First of all, choose the clip that you want to zoom in and zoom out in Premiere Pro. In my case, I'm gonna zoom in that particular clip from my previous video. So after you choose the clip, you have to go to the effects control tab. After going to effects control tab, under the motion tab in effects control, you have to check the position icon and the scale icon, like that. In my case, I'm gonna highlight the price of the bill that I'm gonna make in this video. So after checking that, you have to choose the position and scale according to your liking. So after doing that, our video will look something like that. So here I scroll down and I don't want that part in my video, so I'll cut it out like that. You have to make some minor tweaks to make your videos pop and look professional. So if this tutorial is helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking to this video. Thank you and peace out.